You're back. Johnny is back. Why did you come here for? Huh?
To give you a kiss.
You already gave me.
Hey, yo.
What did you come here for? Tell them. What are you putting?
We're gonna change out my manifold.
2. Ooh, Jazz boy. So he found the version 2 Jazz manifold in Japan. So he copped it. And then we're gonna throw it on. It still has a stock manifold. Just swapping the manifold, but we'll see how rusty those bolts are. Hope we don't break it off.
So I got that lube.
Yo, it's got lube on deck. Alright, hopefully we won't have an issue. Hopefully. Just kind of organize the garage. We're gonna start work on it. Well, we're gonna get going. Take all the pipings off. Gotta drain the oil and coolant. It's still hot to touch the manifolds since he just drove it here. But we're gonna do other stuff first and get the manifold. Well, got all this loosened. 2 studs came out, but we just gotta put it back. Well, Johnny did downpipe, about to pull it off. Just gotta take lines off. Making good progress. Well, we got turbo Manny off. That was easy since we already had a steel bladed one. Now I'll put it back. Easy. Now we swapping. Jazz Manny. Well, we just swapped the stock manifold to Jazz Manny, and everything seems good. Luckily, we don't have to change any lines, so straightforward. Gonna put it back. Easy. Got the Jazz mocked up. Just gotta connect these lines back up. Let's hear this thing already. STI swap. STI swap S15 coming your way. So we mounted turbo, but kind of technical difficulty. So this blow-by hose that connects to the intake, like suction cup, put it on. It's like barely touching the manifold. So that's no bueno if it burns through. And then we got nothing else. I found this, what is this called? Not shield, but like fiberglass and aluminum tape, so like keeps the heat away a little bit. We found some strong aluminum can, Waco's, a Japanese chemical brand. Johnny's cutting it up. We're gonna wrap that thing around the hose and put this around the can. Just hoping it doesn't melt through. Should be okay though. Well, Jazz Manny fit. I didn't know with the ABS, but it clears, no problem. Oh, can't wait to hear it. Finish it. S15. Alright, finally. Everything back together. Just gotta put oil and coolant. It's here, this thing already. Alright, oil and coolant. Don't forget, boys and girls. Coolant, oil in, start. Noise. Do, 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 do. Sounds so like SDI. Can't wait to get on it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Gotta bleed the coolant system and check the oil. I'm gonna go test drive. Alright, test drive. Let's hear this. I like it. Sounds very good. I like when it's like a purring, like growing, when you're like little on. Like right there.
That sounds good.
Like when you're cruising, it's like STI.
Take it easy on my axles.
How was it? How was it? How was it outside?
It was sick.
Sounds so good.
It sounds good, yeah. Oh my god.
Well, thanks Josh for leaving me this or giving me this. Gonna throw it on my wife's car or something. We did it in like what, 6 hours maybe?
4 hours.
4 hours. We did it, bro. That wasn't too hard. No much issue. Smoothest manifold. Getting my ending. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. Me and Johnny work on
Piece of shit.
his S15 Spec R SR20 DT. Well, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Maybe you got to learn something and you can maybe change your manifold yourself next time. Oh, we gotta go eat sushi. Peace out.